Can you provide a little clarity on where Florida stands now in this whole open carry thing based on this case that just apparently changed a lot of things here in this state?
Yeah, so it's interesting, right? I mean, I'm not sure if you guys read the whole backstory on what this guy did, but up in Escambia County, you have this guy that literally was just standing there, gun on his hip, with basically a sign, constitutional sign saying, "Hey, I'm allowed to do this. This is legal." You got Florida statute 790.053 deals with open carry, first-degree misdemeanor, right? So he's basically going against this statute.
Openly challenging it.
Openly challenging it. I mean, this isn't a situation where a guy just thought he was in the right or something like this, and the police happened to catch him. This is a guy that's basically saying, arrest me.
And he was also running for political office at the time, I believe.
Yeah, I don't know much about that, but I do know that he was bringing this on. Like, he wanted to get arrested. He had the sign. Cops are like, what are you doing, man?
Yeah.
And the guy says, I'm taking this to the Supreme Court. I want to challenge this all the way up.
And it ended up going through the court ranks, right?
Yeah, and it's really weird how it kind of played out, because normally this doesn't happen like this. The judge sentenced him on the trial level case to a year of probation, but he suspended the sentence, and they certified this case up to the First District Court of Appeal and basically said, you don't have to do your sentence until we get a ruling on this issue. Which is interesting. Normally that doesn't happen. Normally you don't get a suspended sentence, but the court must have thought this had a chance.
So then comes another ruling that.
So the First District Court of Appeal comes out and says, hey, this statute 790.053 doesn't jive with the Constitution. It doesn't jive with the Second Amendment. So we have to look at all the history. We have to look at past people carrying guns, how people carried their guns, and we don't think this jives with the Constitution. So we find that, boom, 790.053 unconstitutional, and pretty much the sheriffs across the entire state of Florida now are allowing 790.053 stricken, and you can now open carry. The question, however, right, and I think it's a valid question, is obviously, I think a Supreme Court challenge or going to the Supreme Court's going to, because this just happened pretty recently.
Right. Yeah.
So this is going to play out even further. I mean, it's a win. It's a big win for people who want to open carry, but I don't know exactly what the end game is.
So it's not over yet, is what you're saying.
Correct.